We are full homogeneous in Spain. House Vicente Ernest Mora. In this video, we want to show you our listeners that project house by nature. We will work with foods from other countries like Turkey, Estonia, Latvia, Portugal, and Estonia. My classmates and I are going to show you some information about these countries. Come with us.
Estonia, officially the Republic of Estonia, is a country on the eastern coast of the Baltic Sea and northern Europe.
Latvia is a country located in northeast Europe.
Macedonia is a country located in South Europe.
Turkey is a country located in southeast Europe. Portugal is a country located in southwest Europe. Spain is a country located in southwest Europe.
Tallinn is the capital of Estonia. The official language of the country is Estonian.
The capital is Riga. The population is around 2 million people.
The capital is Skopje. The population is around 2 million people.
The capital is Ankara. The population is around 83 million people. The capital is Lisbon. The population is around 10 million people. The capital is Madrid. The population is around 47 million people. Latvian is the main language, but Russian and some English are also spoken. There are 4 languages: Spanish, Catalan, Galician, and Basque. Turkish is the principal language and Islam the main religion. Portuguese is the official language.
80% people are Roman Catholic Christian.
18% of people are Roman Catholic Christians. Religious people are Roman Catholic Christians.
Estonia has over 100 lakes.
It got thousands of rivers, lakes, and forests. The climate is temperate and wet.
It's got large hills and valleys surrounded by mountains.
It's got a long coastline with the Black Sea in the north. It's got lots of beautiful beaches with the Atlantic Sea. The climate is really good throughout the year in most parts of Spain. I love my country. It's got a really good climate and the food is fantastic.
Here you have some traditional foods. They look delicious.
Paella is the most typical dish in Valencia, made with rice, chicken, rabbit, and vegetables. I love it. Cut is the typical fish from Portugal.
Red pepper is very used in Macedonian cuisines.
It's very popular to cook with herbs and spices.
Many animals like these in danger of extinction can still be found in Estonia.
The white wagtail is the national bird of Latvia.
The Eurasian lynx can be found in North Macedonia.
The fallow deer is popular in Turkey. The Iberian lynx lives in Spain but is endangered. Portugal's main industries are fishing, oil, and tourism. Latvia produces cars, fertilizers, and pharmaceuticals.
Macedonia main industries are agriculture, textiles, and chemicals.
Turkey produces airplanes, cars, and clothing. One of their favorite meals is kebab. I like them. Spain's main industries are agriculture, tourism, and cars.
Macedonia dinar is their currency.
The currency is the Turkish lira.
The first decorated Christmas tree in the world was in Latvia in 1510.
The longest bridge in Europe is the Vasco da Gama Bridge in Lisbon.
Handball is a popular sport in Macedonia.
Ice hockey is the most popular sport in Latvia.
Football is the main sport in Portugal. I love football.